Hi friends, this is Team AcoWebs with our plugin Woocommerce Custom Product Addons. Here we are actually going to give a demonstration about how to sell custom add-ons with your WooCommerce products. Add new product. Configure the product and also set the price for the product. Publish the new product. Create a new form. To create add-ons, choose any two fields. Configure the first field, enable price and set price for the add-ons. Configure the second field, enable price and set price for the add-ons. Publish the new form. Edit the created product and assign the created form to it, exclude the globally assigned form. Results can be seen. If you need any assistance, feel free to contact our support.